Hey builders and building product manufacturers, if that wasn't clear. Danny Small here. Thanks for joining me for episode 6 of Principles of Lean Construction. Today we're continuing our series on waste with the 5th form of waste, which is conveyance, otherwise known as transportation. Now this is very similar to the principle we talked about last time, which was movement. But movement specifically refers to movement of people, whereas transportation refers to movement of things or information. So this is movement of stuff, okay? So materials and tools that are being moved around the job site, but also email strings in the office where you're forwarding things from one person to the next, or a report that gets passed from hand to hand to hand for different approvals before it reaches its ultimate destination. A couple of techniques that you can use to identify transportation waste in your operation are the spaghetti diagram, which we talked about last time, but more commonly with transportation waste, you'd use a process diagram. So instead of mapping out the physical location and the physical movements of people, you would map out the process, right? And track where things or information or data needs to be passed from person to person or from location to location within the process. Once you've got that process diagram together, you can analyze that and see if there are places where you can maybe eliminate steps or, again, rearrange your workspace so that things don't have to be moved as far. Or in the case of information, just refine the process of getting information from one person to the next so that it's more automated, or it just maybe skips a few steps so that you don't have to do as many handoffs for that type of information. What have you noticed about transportation waste in your operation? And what tips and tricks have you tried to eliminate it? I'd love to hear about those down in the comments below. And as always, if you'd like some help implementing these principles in your business, give me a message and I'd love to talk about it with you. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, stay safe and keep building. Take care. Bye-bye.